Hello everyone, this is Prof. Amani from TEC demo, and today inshallah we are going to study together solar power. Before we start, let's know the objectives of the unit training or the training unit. The students will be able to learn about solar power, get familiar with solar panels and how they work. And these, what are we going to do today? We will watch video about solar power, but I would post the link of the video at the end of this video, okay? We will learn about the definition of solar power and we will do some activities. Solar power. What's the meaning of solar power? Now, a solar power contains very small solar cells. So a solar cell is an electrical device that converts the energy of light directly into electricity. And it supplies a voltage and a current to a resistive load, like a light or a battery or a motor. And it is like a battery because it supplies DC power. This is the definition of a solar power and a solar cell. Let's have a clue about solar power. Now, a major part of the green living movement involves the use of alternative energy sources to replace our consumption of traditional fossil fuel generated electricity. This alternative energy can be generated by wind or by solar power, which has become an increasingly popular way to power residential and commercial structures. Solar power is derived directly from the sun's natural light, and its use is both environmentally friendly or eco-friendly and cost-effective over the long term. The definition. In the simplest term, solar power is energy or the energy that comes from the sun, and the U.S. Energy Information Administration defines solar energy as the sun's rays. The sun's rays, also known as solar radiation, that reach the earth, which can then be converted into other forms of energy, like heat and electricity. So this power can be converted to other forms of energy like heat and electricity, so it's convertible, right? Solar power is renewable, means we can have it over and over again, and sustainable as well. So it's a renewable and sustainable energy source and can be used around the world to generate electricity for a number of different purposes. This is the definition of solar power. So again, what is solar power? Solar power, in the simplest term, is energy that comes from the sun, okay? Or the sun's rays, also known as solar radiation, okay? The solar radiation that reach the earth, which can be converted, all of these forms can be converted into other forms of energy, like heat and electricity. And also solar power is renewable and sustainable. Now I want you to go to this link, okay? I'll post the link down below in the description box, and I want you to go to this link and watch this video. Now let's talk about solar panels. Now the solar panels are solar power. As we said before, that solar power can be converted into electricity in one or of two ways. Number one, the first way is through the use of solar cells or photovoltaic devices, commonly known as solar panels. And here's another video talking about the solar panel, and I want you to check this video. Go back to your technical teacher and ask them about the solar panel and the solar cells for more information, of course. Solar thermal power plants. These are plants, not planets. Solar thermal power plants use energy contained in the sunlight to heat fluids to very high temperatures. The fluid is circulated through pipes, whereas the heat is transferred to water and converted to steam. So how many form of energy we have here? More than one form, of course. So again, solar thermal power plants use energy contained in the sunlight to heat fluids to very high temperatures. The fluid is circulated through pipes where its heat is transferred to water and converted to steam. Let's watch this video about solar power, and this is the link. I want you to click on the link and go to the video and watch it. I want you, as a task, I want you to mention how the solar power works. Very simple, very easy. After watching all of these videos, you can easily, and of course rewatch this video, you can easily mention how the solar power works. Thank you so much, guys. See you inshallah next video.